Hey everybody, Melissa here. We found a way to track student, law activity during quizzes. And so I'm going to show you how to turn it on. Go to the course that you want to do this. And I'm going to share your screen here. So you should be able to see my Canvas face. Go to settings. Go to feature options. Scroll down. There is a tool called Quiz Log Auditing. You want to make sure that it's turned on. All right. And so you go back to your quizzes. And so we had Carly test some of these for me. So I want to look at the quiz that I gave just a few minutes ago, quiz 3. And so you go way over here to this little sideways ... thing. Open it. Show student quiz results. Carly's taken the quiz, so I'm going to click on Carly here. And so here's her quiz results, which are great, you know. But what you're going to be interested in is the view log. And here's the action log for Carly. So we see that Carly's session started. She answered question 1. She viewed and probably answered question 1, but then she navigated away to another page and it says she stopped viewing the Canvas quiz taking page. She resumed it and then she went to another different page. We found earlier that if she keeps going back to the same page, it won't indicate that. Like if she's looking at Facebook here, it won't show up again later. So these are 3 definitely different pages she viewed. But again, you can see how long it took her, you know, what attempt it was. If there's more than one attempt, you'd be able to see what's going on with the attempts. But again, another really nice tool for you to kind of keep track of what your students are doing. So I hope this helps.